welcome to day 27 of my Dream It, Do It series. Today's focus is specifically on fitness. Yes, it's that dreaded exercise word, but love it or hate it, it's good for us and it's a good topic to delve into. These days there are so many ways to lead a fit, healthy and energetic life. There are sports teams that you can join. You can go for walks, swimming, running, cycling. To the gym you could take up dancing. You can even get fitness-based games for games consoles to give you your exercise from home. And of course there's the option to work out at home. Maybe you have a home gym, or you can just use some space that you have in front of a TV or a computer and follow a workout that you stream online. So it's at-home workouts that I wanted to talk about today, and specifically the power of committing to a workout program. So previously I'd done my own thing. When I'd done working out at home, I'd used a rebounder for running and watching a TV program. I'd followed some occasional yoga workouts on YouTube. But the notion of having a program, a whole suite of workouts that built upon each other with the same trainer and the same setting, so that you knew exactly where you were at, how long the program was going to run for and what results you could expect by the end of them. This was brand new to me, and I must admit it got me intrigued and just a little bit excited. I've never really been one for exercise or working out or doing anything particularly energetic. So at the start of last year, with a 4-stone weight loss ahead of me, I was pretty nervous about doing any form of physical exercise. So I was looking for something that would help motivate me and keep me on track. And the idea of having a fixed program with a calendar that I could tick off the days definitely appealed to me. And let me just tell you, signing up to become a Beachbody member and committing to my first workout program completely changed my life in so many ways. When I started off, I picked an 8-week program. Talk about in for a penny, in for a pound. This program was based around barre, so not only did it have ballet tones, but it also had yoga and cardio and strengthening in there. I picked the program because I wanted a gentle program to ease me into things that didn't involve lots of jumping around or burpees or things like that really isn't my kind of thing. But actually now in hindsight, having done other programs, I probably picked a pretty hard program to start off with as a beginner. Having said that, it was a wonderfully feminine program. I loved the lady who led it and the other ladies who were always there doing the workouts with her. I loved the setting, and having that 8-week calendar that each day when I finished that workout I ticked it off. I felt such a sense of accomplishment that it gave me momentum to come back day after day, and before I knew it I was in my 8th week and ticking off the whole program. And oh my goodness, when you get to the end of a program, having not exercised for years and not had the belief in yourself that you can do it, you'll be the one with tissues at the end crying your eyes out, because you just feel this amazing sense of worth and value in yourself, that you not only started something but you saw it through to the end, and you've seen amazing results in your health, in your strength, in your fitness, and in some cases in your weight loss if that is one of the things you're focused on. Having this program and doing a workout 5 days a week, Monday to Friday, really helped me embed this as a habit into my life, and weekends felt so good knowing that I'd had a solid week of working out and I could relax until Monday rolled around again. The other thing that helped keep me going and that I love to this day is the camaraderie with the other people in the online fitness studio. This feeling of we're in it together, sharing our wins and our strategies, not just about the workouts but about our day-to-day lives, how we fit in the healthy lifestyle but it doesn't overtake our lives. It's just a small part of the rest of a well-rounded and fun life, and it's great to have that community to feel that you're connected to and you're all going through the same thing at the same time. So if you are looking for a way to get into fitness, maybe you've been out of things for a while, you're a little bit scared, you don't really know if you can do it, committing to a workout program could just be the thing that you need. After I finished my first workout program last year, I had such great results and I loved it so much that I knew that this was a thing that I wanted to do for my career, to help other people achieve the same results and get that same sense of satisfaction and happiness that I was feeling in my life. So I now have the Sunshine Studio. It's an online fitness studio where you can come and pick from a whole wealth of different workout programs. There's all different levels to choose from, beginner, intermediate or advanced. The programs are of different duration. I think the shortest starts, there's a week program, clean week, but most of the programs range from 3 weeks to 8 weeks, and there's one even I can think of that's 13 weeks long. So you can pick a program for the time scale that you feel comfortable committing to, and also you can pick a genre of fitness that you enjoy. So maybe your thing is dance. We've got a country dance style workout program. Maybe it's hip hop, maybe it's kickboxing, maybe it's yoga, maybe it's running. There are so many different programs to choose from. But back to why I think doing a dedicated program is such a great idea and why it works so well for so many people. First up, you get to know the trainer. In the majority of programs, there is one super trainer who's with you every step of the way, showing you exactly what you need to do. And more often than not, they will have a backing group of other people doing the program. Maybe they'll have one who's intensifying a little bit and one who's modifying. So if you're struggling with any of the moves that they're showing you, you can follow the modifier, or if you feel like it's not quite enough for you, you can follow the intensifier. And it feels like you are with them in the studio and part of that crew. Especially by the end of a program, you'll know everybody's names and feel like you know them a little bit. The other reason to do a dedicated program is to help you get into the habit of regular exercise. Having a program with the days predetermined for you means that you can print out a calendar and know exactly where you are. Each day you can see, right, what workout am I doing today? You can find it, push play, off you go, do your workout, and then have that incredible satisfaction of ticking it off on your calendar when you're done. So that momentum of coming back each day of your program will give you the motivation that you need to keep going, as will your personal fitness coach. Yes, when you sign up to do a program with me, you get me as your personal fitness coach, and I'm there to walk alongside you or run alongside you and help you every step of the way. You get stuck, you've got a question, you fall off track, I'll be there to help and support you get back on track as you need it. In many of the workout programs, you can also track your results week on week. So if there's an element of lifting in any of the workouts with dumbbells, you can track how heavy you're lifting and see if week on week you're getting stronger, which is quite satisfying when you see that, 3 weeks on and I'm lifting twice as heavy as when I started. And the biggest and best reason for committing to a workout program is the incredible sense of pride and accomplishment that you'll feel when you get it done. And if you get bitten with the bug like I did, you'll just want to start your next program and then your next and your next. And before you know it, you've transformed your life into a healthy lifestyle without even feeling like you've made that much of a change. It just becomes ingrained and a part of what you do each day, and you come to love it. And it sounds completely crazy to me saying these words, because I never thought that I would be sat here saying I love doing my workouts, but I do. It's something that I look forward to, and it gives me joy and satisfaction to know that I'm staying healthy and fit. So if you want to hear what my exact approach is each time I'm about to embark on a program, I commit to the program that I am going to do. I print out the calendar and the getting started guide and any other information that's provided for me for that program. I take my measurements, so I weigh myself, I use a tape measure, and I'll take a couple of before pics, because I want to see what progress I've made in every way that I can when I get to the end of the program. They're just for me, I don't have to share them with anyone else, but it's nice to have them to look back on to see how far you've come. So that's what I do in preparation. I have a space in my living room where I always work out. So I've already got a dedicated space where I work out, and I'm set up with our TV. We have an Apple TV, and that's what I use to stream the workouts. I've also got a set of dumbbells and some resistance loops that I use for any of the workouts that require that. When it comes to doing my workouts, I use the Beachbody supplements pre-workout and post-workout. I decided to do this from the very beginning because when I was getting started, I figured I needed all of the help that I could get to commit to this and stay on track. And I felt that using these supplements was going to help me with my mindset, and just anything that I could do to help get me started and into this lifestyle I was going to use. So before I get started, I mix myself a pre-workout. This is just a scoop in water that I mix up and I drink it, and it just gives me a natural energy boost to give me that little bit more oomph to get through, especially my cardio workouts. Then I go and push play on my workout, I get it done, and when I'm finished, I log my workout in the app and share it to our group so that everybody can see that I've done my workout for today, and I can see that everybody else has done their workouts, and that's great for accountability and, like I say, that bit of camaraderie. After that, I head back into the kitchen and I mix myself a post-workout shake. This is chocolate flavoured. Again, it's just a scoop in some water. I shake it up and drink it. And the reason I take that is because I want to help my muscles recover as best as they can. I don't like having muscle aches day to day, so I really rate the post-workout for minimising the amount of muscle pain that I get 1 or 2 days after doing workouts. While I'm drinking my post-workout, I'll invariably get the calendar for the programme and a pen and put a big tick through that day's workout so that I know that it's done, and I might just have a little look and see, oh, what workout have I got tomorrow, or have I got a rest day tomorrow? And that is basically it. I find that each week flies by. Before I know it, I'm at the end of a programme and trying to work out which one I'm going to do next. So if I've intrigued you with anything that I've talked about today and you're interested in trying a workout programme yourself, you can email me at corinna@inspiringlifedesign.com for more information, or you can visit inspiringlifedesign.com/Sunshine Studio and fill out the form, and I can send you more information. Most months I run a free week. This is where you can come and join a Facebook group that I set up. It's completely free. You can try out some of the sample workouts. You can learn a little bit about the nutrition products and menu plans that are available, and also get to know me a little bit as your prospective fitness coach. So like I say, it's a completely free week. No strings, it's a chance for us to get to know each other. You can ask any questions that you have and see if it's a good fit for you. So maybe I'll see you on an upcoming free week, or if you want to jump straight into the Sunshine Studio with us, we can get you started on your first workout program, and you just see, I think you're gonna love it. Well, that's all for this video. I hope that you've enjoyed this little insight into my world and why I love online workout programs. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a like and don't forget to be subscribed. I will be back tomorrow for more of Dream It, Do It. And until then, I believe in you. Keep dreaming big.